In 1922, America's #1 best-selling novel vanished from memory completely. It outsold everything. Hollywood made it into a blockbuster. Then, within a generation, gone. That keeps happening. Nobel winners erased. Bestsellers buried. Masterpieces trapped behind languages the English world never learned. This is not an accident. Haberdash Books exists to rebuild the lost library. Every week we find one of these forgotten masterpieces, translate it if needed, produce a full audiobook and restore it. Subscribe, and as a welcome gift, choose a free ebook and a free audiobook from our lost library, yours to keep, no strings. Or visit our website at haberdashbooks.com to claim them. Max Havelaar. The Railway. 3 Crosses. The Murderess. The Covered Wagon. Each one a masterpiece. Each one forgotten. Each one restored. New forgotten classics every week. Subscribe now and claim your free welcome ebook and audiobook. If you want to help us make these videos even better, you can support us on Patreon. The library is being rebuilt, one forgotten masterpiece at a time.